everyone, kumusta po kayo? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to share with you a short clip or a short video featuring the Dragon Boat Festival. So this is just the highlight. Sana po panoorin nyo. So dito lang po tayo nakapwesto sa may bandang finish line kasi po doon banda sa may harapan meron po doong mga VIPs. So, wala po tayong K na maging VIPs, charot. So, ganun lang po. At sana po panoorin nyo, napaka-iksi lang naman po to at sana po ma-enjoy nyo rin po ang Dragon Boat Festival for today. And big love shout out po sa lahat ng mga nanonood po sa aking short video for today at to my family and friends, new YouTube friends, new subscribers, new likers, lahat po ng mga sumisilip sa aking channel. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat sa support nyo at sa pagbigay nyo ng mga views sa channel po natin. So, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Bakit nga ba sila nagse-celebrate ng Dragon Boat Festival? So, Dragon Boat Festival is to commemorate the famous Chinese poet Qiu Huan, who served as a high-ranking official of Chu state during the Zhou dynasty. At naglunod po siya sa dagat for some reasons. So for some information, resist na lang po tayo at hindi ko po pwedeng sabihin sa inyo dito sa aking vlog. So yan lang po ang ating information for today at sana po naguguluhan po kayo. At ako naman naguguluhan din. Charot. So ito po ay napakaganda nilang mga contestant ng iba't ibang district na mga entries po nila to sa mga Dragon Boat participants during the Dragon Boat Festivals. And sa lahat ng mga nanalo at sa all the winners, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko may mga Pilipinos na sumasali po dito sa Dragon Boat Festival na to. So, congratulations everyone and keep it up. Sa mga hindi po nanalo, meron pa naman pong next year. So, ayan, hopes are still there. So thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much po. Please stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is Solabi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always po. See you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po ulit. Paalam!